Goodliness Jewelry Company Limited is a silver and brass jewelry manufacturer, which is professional in jewelry design, production, and exporting. We has experience in manufacturing cubic zirconia, spinel, glass, and other synthetic gemstones since 2010. Our factory located in Panyu, Guangzhou City, China, which is the famous jewelry industry town all over the world. We are specialized in producing and selling 925 sterling silver and brass jewelry for more than 10 years, which can guarantee quality and service to customers. Our main products are pendant, necklace, rings, bracelet, bangles, earrings, elements, and so on. We have our individual factory, product photograph department, professional design, and an excellent sales team. Welcome to visit our factory or send us your samples. We will try our best to offer you sincere service. We always persist in the principle of customer first, quality first as our purpose. There are about 100 workers supporting our production, which ensure the exporting volume keeps 30,000 pieces every month. There are 20 professional designers to meet any of your requirement, and hundreds of designs are issued every month for your selection. We have rich experience in setting, especially micropave, micro settings. There is a professional QC team to be strict with the quality. Height, quality, and competitive price are our top target. OEM or ODE projects are welcome. 60% of our production is custom orders. We are sure we can make your own design so well. With timely delivery, we are continually supporting customers from all over the world. Competitive price and on-time delivery is our commitment. We warmly welcome customers from at home and abroad to cooperate with us for common success. We are looking forward to building long-term and cooperative relationships with you.